Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this Termination Sudoku puzzle by Slovakian author Martina Primerová. This was featured in Sudoku Grand Prix. And as with Same Sum Sudoku, I should mention that this is a variant that appeared in the latest Sudoku World Championship, which was in Hungary, I should remember. I was there. So the rule here is that whenever you have a digit 0 between two cells, it means that the corresponding digits either sum or multiply to 10, or no, sorry, to a multiple of 10. Multiply or sum to a number that ends with a 0. And most importantly, all such possible zeros are given, which means that here those two digits can't sum or multiply to something that ends with 0. So another way of stating this is that either those two digits sum to 10 or they multiply to a multiple of 10, which means that one of them is 5 and the other one is even. And the absence of those means that those 4 digits here are the odd digits, and the digits here are the even digits. That's the first thing I'm saying. Another thing I'm saying is that the only digit that can be a neighbor of 3 other digits is 5. An odd digit other than 5 will only be a neighbor of its complement to 10, and an even digit can only be the neighbor of its complement to 10 and 5. So an odd digit other than 5 will only have one possible neighbor. An even digit will have 2 possible neighbors. 5 can have up to 4 possible neighbors, which means that 5 is here, 5 is here. We could think that 5 has to be here, but actually those digits could be the same. So this could have only 2 different neighbors. That is not the 5. This has 2 different neighbors. But there has to be a 5 in here. That's the only way those could work. If those two sum to 10, well, actually, there's a 5 here, so these two sum to 10. But those two can't sum to 10, because those would have to be the same, so this must be the 5. And those must be even digits. Perhaps I should use some coloring for parity. I'm not sure I will do that. With Sudoku, we can see, I think I will do that actually. That will definitely help. Or perhaps I should use a special color for 5. 5 will just remain uncolored. Okay, so with those 5s, I know that 5 is either here or there, but 5 can't be next to the 6 without a 0. So that is finally a 5. There is a 5 in here, but 5 can't be next to the 6 without a 0, so that's a 5. Now we have a 5 somewhere in here. It could definitely work both here and there. We have a 5 in here and there. Okay, let's do some coloring. I will use orange for odd digits other than 5, and their complement to 10 must also be odd. So the remaining cells here must be even. Next to the 5 here, they must be even. Those are also even. So on this row, we still need odd digits. This is even, this is even. We need 4 even digits in a 3x3 block. Those are odd. Those are even. Those are also even, definitely. Those are even. Those are odd. And this column, I still need another even digits, but actually, anyway, the neighbors of 5 must be even. So we already have 3 even digits in this box, so those must be odd. And we already had 4 even digits in this column, so this must also be odd. Note that those two sum to 10, and those two do not sum to 10, so the missing odd digit must be here. And actually this was even anyway, next to the 5. Where else can we look? This is even, this is even. So here there's a 5. I'm thinking of coloring the 5 with green anyway. So here there's a 5 somewhere, so the other digits must be even, which means that the 4th even digit of this box is here anyway. So we get the odd digits here. And this is the 4th even digit in the column. That's the 4th even digit in this area. That's odd paired with this odd digit. This is even. This column already has 4 odd digits, so this is odd. And this box still needs 2 odd digits. This column already has 4 odd digits, so those two are even. 3 odd digits, and the 4th odd digit is here. So something is not working here. Oh, I was wrong here. This must be even. We already had 4 odd digits in this column. So now inside this box, the 4th even digit is in here, and those are odd. Now let's do some Sudoku. Those are 3 and 7. This is 1. 7 goes there. It's not next to the 3 because there's no symbol. So this is 9. This is 3. This is 7. Those are 1 and 9. Those two are 1 and 9. And this can't be 1 or 9, or there will be a symbol between them. So that's a 3. And actually, we already knew that had to be a 3. Those are not 1 and 9, so there must be 3 and 7. This is 1 or 9. This is not 3, 7 because of this, so this is 1, 9. This is 3, this is 7, so that this is 7, this is 3. Those are 3 and 7. There's a 3 here, a 7 here, so that's 3, that's 7. This is 1, this is 3. This is 1, this is 9. In this column, there has to be a 7, so that's a 3, that's a 7. Here we get 1 and 9, so like this, that's a 3. This is 9. Here we need 1 and 7. Here we need 9 and 3, which places the 9 here, 1, 9 and 1, and 9 and 1. Note that this coloring has helped us a lot. Now, this can't be next to this. This can't be a 4 next to the 6 because there's no symbol, so that's a 2, that's a 4. Those must be 4 and 8. Those must be 2 and 6. Those must be 2, 4, 6, and those two sum to 10, so there must be 4, 6, and this is 2. This is from 4, 6, 8. This is from 2, 4, 6. Oh, this has actually 3 different neighbors, so this had to be the 6. The 5s are. So the 5s were there actually. So you can stop yelling at me for not seeing this. And now this should help us complete the missing digits. This is from 4, 6. This is from 2, 8. So this to disambiguates that. This is from 4, 6, and this row needs an 8. That's a 2. Because of this 8, this is 4, 6. So this row needs a 2. This column needs an 8. This column needs a 2. That's not 2, that's not 8. And actually 8 on the first row is here. This is 4, 6. This is not a neighbor by termination rule, so that's 8. That's a 4. Here we need 2 and 8. There's 8 here, so that's 2. That's 8. This is also 8. This is from 4, 6. And this can't be a 4 or a 6 because it would have to... Because the other, what I mean is that 4 and 6 must not be next to each other. So that's the 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4. This is 2. This is also 2. That's a 6. That's a 4. That's a 6. That's an 8. And let's disambiguate the rest. What is happening? Oh. Why is the no firework? Perhaps I made a mistake. Perhaps I typed the wrong digit somewhere. Where are my grids? My paper grids. I don't know where I put them. Well, anyway, I think this is correct. I'm confident in what I just did being correct. So I have just to say that this is a nice set of rules. It's easier to notate the parity with coloring, but you can find strategies on papers. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.